Your wife here in Doha?
No, doon sa Pakistan.
Doon sa Pakistan. How many kids?
7.
7, ah. Too much, ha, making?
Yeah, too much content करता.
I like this one, yeah. So how's Doha, my friend?
Good.
Good. How long you have been here in Doha?
Dito?
Yeah, here.
2 years.
Tagalog?
Konti lang.
Konti lang? Oh my God, you speak Tagalog.
Konti.
Maybe you have girlfriend Tagalog, ha?
Dito?
Uh-uh.
No, trabaho doon sa Dubai.
Sa Dubai? OMG. How many years in Dubai?
15.
OMG. So that's why you learn more Tagalog, ha? Maybe you have girlfriend there in Dubai.
No, Fari only bakla friend.
Fari only bakla friend.
Fari only bakla friend.
Really? You like?
Yeah, chupa chupa.
Yeah, chupa chupa.
Yeah, chupa chupa.
You watch YouTube channel? I have YouTube channel in Doha.
Jaga go.
Yeah, gaga this. You like Filipino, huh?
Yes.
Why?
I like also Pakistan.
Really?
Yeah, I like because good people. I have some friends. Before I was also in Dubai. I staying in
You stay.
that. What is that place? You mentioned some place in Dubai.
Dubai,
Ay.
Dira Dubai, Bar Dubai.
Djerra, yeah, Djerra.
Ano yung bigla din siya uuwi?
Bakit? But only 3 months me in Dubai. After that, I go in Kish Island, exit, you know, Kish Island. Then some Filipino are going there now to exit, change visa, right? And then coming back in Dubai for working visa. Now I didn't find there, so I just go here.
No,
Doha.
where you were working?
We're working in Landmark.
What?
Yeah, Landmark company. The name of the company. So we're here. I'm riding with Mr. Hussein. Yeah. Because I make vlog. Whatever travel I did, I make some videos, clips. So it just give us memories. No? Even I saw some before. I went there and write dogs and I went to those places. So this is the view of the What is this, my brother? What's for this one?
This is
Lighting.
for Atlatin.
Atlet, huh?
Yeah, Atlatin.
There's a event here, huh?
Yeah. It's finished before 5 days.
Just finished.
Yeah.
Recently finished, huh? This is This is Burj Al Mana. This tower still constructing.
Baka sa bahay na siya gagawa ko.
Nainis ngayon yan. Sasabihin ko sa sige. Inisip ko na lang. Si Ana, huwag ka. Tagalog ha. Speak Tagalog challenge ha. Pagod? Masakit pa ha? Your wife here in Doha?
No, doon sa Pakistan.
Doon sa Pakistan. How many kids?
7.
7 ha? Too much ha, making?
Yeah, too much content.
I like this one yeah. Maybe I get viral. Too much, ano ha? Come again?
Yeah, content.
Kaya dami anak.
Masarap na content na.
Masarap ha? Me also I like.
But you like only chupa chupa.
How you know?
You know.
Bakla, no?
Yeah.
How you know?
Yeah.
Maybe you big. Malaki ya, malaki masarap.
Iharap mo kasi sa yung camera mo. Front mo sa'yo para
Makikita ako eh.
A few moments later.
Hi. This is my friend. Malaki ha? Yung malaki ha? I want to see ha?
Call me tonight.
Tonight ha? Okay. I'll give you my number. Malaki, masarap ha? So this is my good friends. We're riding here in taxi. Carwa taxi. So we're on the way now to our home. It's very funny. He's very funny. Mr. Zaid Hussein. Yan.
Tapos ka nandito, pare?
Yeah. Kanan. You speak also Tagalog. You know, when you speak Tagalog, some Filipino will be, you know.
No, only I speak bad words.
Bad ones, ha? Malaki, ha?
Dito?
Dito, yes.
Diretso pa ha? Diretso pa.
dire. Chupa.
Maybe big now ha?
No, because you are
Can I see?
No, you are friend with you. You don't have a friend code.
Like that ha? Yeah, problem no? I have too much friend. Ano no?
Tapos,
Tapos kaliwa. Ano kayang magandang i-title ko, ma'am? Yung parang
daw eh.
Oo.
Kaibigan kong kantot.
Pakistani friend. Like that.
diretso.
Diretso.
Diretso pa lang.
This one guy will go down here.
Saan ka? Doon?
Just drop this guy here.
Where?
This side only.
Right.
Ambas.
Just go this side.
Just stop me.
Dito?
Oh, dito. Tapos we'll go that side.
No, we can stop.
Ah, dito? Ito dyan. You can go that.
Salamat.
Salamat po.
Salamat, mamo.
Amo.
Bye. Diretso kanan.
Kanan dito?
Opo.
Tapos kanan?